Hi, my name is Nikki. I've been an expert in the paint department at Chamberlain's Valley since 2020. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between damp-proofing and waterproofing. The misperception that customers normally get is that these two products are the same, but they're actually not. Damp-proofing you use on your wall when you get positive or negative water coming through your walls from the inside or from underneath. You get two different products. You get a liquid form and you get the powder form. You have additive you throw inside of your plaster mix or cement mix. Then you get painted on. With the painted on, you just paint it directly on a bare surface, which prevents penetration from the outside to inside. With the powder surfaces, powder products, you prevent any water from leaking from the inside to the outside or either way around. Waterproofing is mainly used for your roofs. You get two different types of products. The one that has an extruded membrane, you need to soak inside the membrane inside of the product. That gives you a watertight seal. Then you get the new age, which you just paint directly over. The new age products has the membrane already included inside of the product. If you need any more expert advice about damp-proofing or waterproofing, please visit any one of our 9 Chamberlain's branches in Gauteng. Chamberlain's, famous for hardware since 1903.